Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to close your Upwork account permanently. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Let's simply move on to how to delete our profile. At the top right, you'll see a profile picture right there. Just click on it. And then something like this will open up. Well, from here, what you need to do is simply go to settings. Well, do you know that you can change the theme and log out from here as well. But right now, we're only gonna focus on settings. Once you're in the settings page, initially you'll be in the contact info section. And do note that you don't have to scroll anywhere. Right here, under this account tab, you'll see something like close my account. Hit on this button right here. It might ask you to select the reason why you're closing your account. Simply select the reason and hit on close account. It might ask for your final confirmation, and if it does, hit on yes or confirm, and then your Upwork account will be deleted permanently. And guys, that's it. That's how we delete your Upwork profile. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.